Sabi Africa. No Africa. No Africans. Pioneering role. Insights, engineering, and technology.
Sabi African Network, illuminating Africa's narrative as pioneers in science, engineering, and technology.
Do you know that neem leaves, wood ash, and everyday herbs used across African farms are some of the most effective low-toxicity pest technologies in the world? These are not myths. They are evidence-backed tools that fit perfectly into modern integrated pest management. Let's walk through how African communities have been running a quiet revolution in sustainable pest control long before the world caught on. Chemical pesticides solve short-term problems but create long-term ones: pollinator loss, soil damage, and rising costs for smallholders. Many African farmers rely on local inputs because they are affordable and reliable. Indigenous methods are climate-proof, community-produced, and scientifically sound, making them essential for today's food systems. Neem works because of limonoids like azadirachtin. These molecules interrupt insect feeding, block molting, and reduce reproduction. That multi-action effect slows resistance and protects vegetables, grains, and orchards. Neem cake also enriches soil while suppressing pests, giving farmers a double benefit. Extraction matters. Water-based extracts capture certain fractions. Oil extractions preserve lipophilic compounds. Neem works best early in the pest cycle with repeated light sprays. A common smallholder formula is macerating 50-100 grams of leaves or 10-20 grams of seed kernel per liter of water and adding a bit of mild soap as a surfactant. Always test on a small patch first. Potency varies with tree age and extraction method. Overuse can burn leaves or affect non-target species. That is why standardization, consistent concentration, and proper storage are key if neem products are to reach commercial reliability. Ash works through abrasion and desiccation. It damages soft-bodied pests, raises surface pH, and forms a barrier around stems or stored grain. It's especially effective on slugs, larvae, and storage beetles. Use a fine dusting inside storage containers or around seedlings. Combine ash with compost or neem cake for extra fertility. Avoid ash from treated wood and do not overuse it. High alkalinity can raise soil pH and stress crops. Plants like basil, citronella relatives, marigold, and hyptis release volatiles that confuse insects or push them away. You can use simple macerates, distilled oils, or companion planting. Push-pull systems with repellent and attractant plants reduce pest loads while supporting beneficial insects. These tools shine when combined. Neem handles growth regulation, ash provides physical barriers, and herbs create repellency. Local field trials, standardized recipes, and farmer training are essential to scale them responsibly. They also build rural industries around neem oil processing, ash-based products, and botanical distillation. Start with 3 basics: neem spray using leaf or seed macerates, ash-lined storage containers for grains, and basil or citronella macerators for household repellents. Reapply frequently and integrate with nets or cultural controls. African indigenous pest control isn't a relic, it is a scientifically grounded, ethical, and sustainable model the world can learn from, and it is time to scale it. If you are a researcher, extension agent, or funder, partner with communities, validate locally, and build local processing capacity. African indigenous pest control is not nostalgia. It is a science-driven pathway to sustainable agriculture.